Hi everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to a video. We have a gorgeous unboxing to do to share some amazing products with you. So today's products are from a company called the Be Kind Shop, and they reached out to me and said that they love what I do on YouTube and they would love to connect with me and be part of their advocacy program. And I said absolutely. So they let me select some products and they have arrived, so I'm excited to be able to unbox and share with you. First of all, I love that the package is 100% recyclable. On the other side is just my address label, so I've just kept it this way, but I love how colorful the packaging is. So we're going to open it and take the products out for you to see. First of all the products will be the right way up if you open it with your address label facing you. I just wasn't going to show that on camera, so we're just going to open everything and show you here. So all the packaging inside is a gorgeous cardboard as well, and I love the little decorations of the sunflowers that they have here. So just turning them all the right way up. So first of all, let's open the envelope. I'm excited to find out what is inside of here. Inside is a gorgeous thank you gift card, as well as 4 little cardboard cutouts. You could use them to decorate your own gift giving. I'm going to be saving mine for a junk journal that I've got coming up, so I'm excited for that. And the card says, thank you. We would like to reach out and thank you for your order from the Be Kind Shop. A portion of your purchase was contributed towards saving the bees and helping them develop colonies safely. We hope that our products will not only put a smile on your face, but also remind you about the good cause that you are now part of. Welcome to the Be Kind family. On the back, as well as a link down below, you can get a percentage off of your next order. You can contact them anytime and also check out their website and Facebook and Instagram, and you can see the gorgeous work that the company is doing. So let's open up the boxes. I'm going to leave links down below for the pieces that I did pick out and talk to you about them. So the first one up here, we have the blooming sunflower bracelet. It's 925 sterling silver and it comes out like this. I love how on the back the chain is enclosed in a little bag, so it's not going to get tangled up, but you could even just give that on its own as it is. It's the perfect gift giving piece. Next up, we have the honeycomb necklace. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. And again, it comes with a little pouch on the back to hold all the excess of chain. The last piece I have to share with you is the You Are My Sunshine bangle, 9.25 sterling silver. I love the detail on here and the engraving, and although I have a small wrist, the bangle is movable so you can change it for whatever size you need. I love how easy it is just to fit on there. You can close it again. I think it looks so dainty and elegant. 10% of all sales will go to their pollinator program, where they team up with other non-profit organizations to help save the bees all around the world. Today I got an email talking about their VIP exclusive where you can adopt this plushy bee. This is not him. I just had this from at home, so I just brought this in to remind myself to tell you guys about. I'll put a little picture up of what they sent me. He's a perfect companion and gift for your family and friends this coming holiday. Thank you so much for watching. If you purchased anything, I would love to hear from you. I've really enjoyed sharing these products with you today. I'll see you next time. Bye.